Okay, let me show you how we actually set up the third-party tag for uploading a Adsonica zip file. So first of all, I'm going to log into the Adsonica account. And if I go to Creatives, you will see here there's a Sonic Boom creative. Let me just show you what we did here. So we added a 300 by 250 format. You just need to go to here and add the formats that you need, like this. And you just need to make sure that the single side format is fixed, as you can see here. So if I go into that format and I actually shrink it down, you see it just cuts like that because it's fixed. This is the actual real size. It just zooms to fit the canvas. All right, so now because the button is here and we want to make the rest of the area, because we did not put the button on the creative, it came as a package. As you can see here in purple, which is basically the app canvas here, we basically set up an app canvas and then we just took the hosted file here and just pasted it in. So you can see there, that's how we set this up. We create a 300 by 250 format, we create a canvas, we set the canvas to be 100%, that actually fits the entire size there, and then of the actual footprint, and then we actually put the hosted creative right in there. There's a black background, and then I set up two CTAs, as you can see here, one that goes right below the listen button, and I have another one here that goes above the listen button. Actually, this one here is actually on the listen word, so I'm going to move it down. So if I have the two of them selected, as you can see, they are around the listen button. So, you know, and I'm just going to go back and click on this one and then tighten it up closer to the listen button. Yeah, so those two click-throughs, and then I just have a placeholder in here, which is Adsonica, which is fine. You can go and replace those. So that's how you set this up. And then when you're done with this, you just go deploy and track, save and exit, and this will take you to our summary page. We basically have an editor, creative, we have a summary page, and then in the summary page, as you can see here, there's information about it. We're not going to export this because we want a third-party tag that is Google. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a new deployment like that, and I'm going to call this 0211 2020 new trackers like this. So you can actually create another one. You just need to make sure that the format is selected here, and then you would just go in here and set up the click-through, and then you don't have to worry about the universal click-through, because then if the user clicks on the Adsonica, it might click through. I think we set it so that you know, this is just set up where the entire package is click-through, but we set up those two click-through areas, so you just set up your click-through right here, and then your impression tracker goes there. When you're done, and you're done with this, okay, whoops, I didn't save it, so I'm going to do the same thing. Let me do that again. 0211 2020 new tracker setup. Okay, and then I'm going to save this, and so now you'll see you'll have an additional deployment. We had the first one, that was the test one, and now we have the second one here that's been set up. And so I can publish all like this, and now they're published, as you can see here. So then you just go and you grab the tag like this. You actually go to the selections and use Google Display Network, because this puts a special couple macros in there for the approval by Google, and it eliminates the cookieing. You copy that, copy to clipboard, and then you go to your third-party sheet and you just go here and you can just paste that in there like this. So now you have your new tag in there. Just make that bigger like this. and then the name of that was 2/11/2020 new trackers, like that. So you could just add it to your sheet, and then you can give it the name that you want. So you should have edit rights to this sheet, but that's how you would set it up. Any questions? Just feel free to send a question to support@responsiveads.com. That's how you set up an additional tracker and a new tag. Thank you very much.